Good afternoon. I'm Anitha, Assistant Professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. I'm going to discuss about the topic data pre-processing. Data pre-processing in data mining is an important step in the data mining process. It refers to the cleaning, transforming, integrations of data in order to make it ready for further analysis. The goal or motive is to improve data quality and make it up to mark for specific tasks, that is data cleaning, integration, transformation, and then data reductions. Some steps in data pre-processing includes data pre-processing that involves cleaning, data cleaning. Data cleaning helps us remove inaccurate, incomplete, and incorrect data from the datasets. Some techniques used in data cleaning are handling missing values. This type of scenario occurs when some data is missing. Standard values can be used to fill up the missing values in a manual way, but only for a small data set. Attribute means and median values can be used to replace the missing values in normal or non-normal distributions of data respectively. Tuples can be ignored if the data set is quite large and many values are missing within a tuples. Most appropriate values can be used while using regressions or decision tree algorithms. Next, coming to noisy data. Noisy data are the data that cannot be interpreted by machines and are containing unnecessary faulty data. Some way to handle them are binning. This method handling noisy data to make it smooth. Data gets divided equally and stored in forms of bins, and then methods are applied to smoothing and completing the task. Methods are smoothing by a bin method, mean method. Bin values are represented by mean values. Smoothing by bin, median. Bin values are replaced by median values. And smoothing by bin boundaries. Minimum or maximum bin values are taken and replaced by closest boundary values. Then regression. Regression functions are used to smoothen the data. Regression can be linear or multiple. Clustering, it is used for grouping the similar data into clusters and is used for finding outliers. Next, data integration. This involves this is the process of combining data from multiple sources, which is databases, spreadsheets, text files, into a single data set. Single and consistent view of data is created in this process. Major problems during data integrations such as schema integrations, entity identification, and deducting and resolving data values concept. And this is involves combining data from multiple sources to create a unified data sets, and data integrations can be challenging as it requires handling data with different format structures and semantics techniques such as record linkages and data fusions can be used for data integrations. Next, coming to data transformation. In this part, change in format or structure of data in order to transform the data suitable for mining. Process methods or transformations are normalization, discretization, attribute selections, concept hierarchical generation, aggregations. Then coming to normalization, method of scaling data to represent it is a specific smaller ranges, that is minus 1.0 to 1.0. Discretization is a reduced data size and makes continuous data divided into intervals. Attribute selection mining process to help the mining process to new attributes are derived from the given attributes. Concept hierarchical generation. In this, the attributes are changed from lower level to higher level in hierarchy. Aggregations. In this, summary of data gets stored which depends upon quality and quantity of a data that make the results more optimal. And then coming to data reductions, this involves reductions. This involves reducing the size of data set while preserving the important information. Data reductions can be achieved through techniques such as features selections and feature extractions. Feature selection involves selecting a subset of relevant features from the data set. While feature extractions involve transforming the data into a lower dimensional space while preserving the important information. And also analysis become harder while working with huge amount of data, so reduce its used to get rid of that. So, and then steps of data reductions are data compression, numerosity reductions. In this, data compression is to make efficient analysis. Lossless comparison is when there is no loss of data while compression. Loss compression is when unnecessary information is removed during compression. Numericity reduction is a reduction in volume of data, that is only stored model of data instead of whole data, which provides smaller representation of data without any loss of data. And then dimensionality reduction. In this reduction of attributes or random variables are done as to make this data set dimensional low attributes and combined without losing its original characteristics. Thank you.